Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Tom and Anna.
Welcome back, guys. Thank you so much for coming back to our channel again.
My name is Tom,
And I'm Anna.
and today we are going to learn a very important English topic in a super easy way.
Yes, today we are learning past simple tense and past continuous tense.
And don't worry, guys, we will learn everything step by step.
We will learn sentence structure, helping verbs, verb forms, positive sentences, negative sentences, and questions.
And we will also practice daily life English, spoken English examples, and common mistakes.
So, by the end of this lesson, you will understand both tenses very clearly.
Exactly. And you will also learn the difference between them.
Many students get confused between these two tenses.
Yes, but today we will make it very easy.
So grab your notebook, relax, and learn with us.
And don't forget to subscribe to English with Tom and Hannah for more easy English lessons.
Okay, Tom, let's start with a simple question.
Sure.
What is past simple tense?
Great question, Anna.
Thank you.
Tom, we use past simple tense for actions that started and finished in the past.
So the action is completely finished?
Exactly.
Can you give some examples?
Of course. I watched a movie yesterday.
Very easy.
She visited her grandmother last week.
Nice.
They played football in the evening.
So all these actions are finished now.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, I understand.
Now, let's talk about sentence structure.
Yes, this is very important.
For positive sentences, we use subject plus second form of verb plus object.
Second form means past form,
Exactly.
like go becomes went,
Perfect.
and eat becomes ate,
Very good.
and play becomes played.
Excellent.
Can you give more examples?
Sure. I cleaned my room.
She cooked dinner.
We visited the park.
They studied English.
He called his friend.
These are very easy.
Yes, keep listening carefully.
Okay.
Now, let's talk about helping verbs in past simple negative sentences.
Oh yes, many students make mistakes here.
Very true.
So what helping verb do we use?
We use did not or short form didn't.
And after did, do we use second form?
Very important question.
Tell us, Tom.
After did or didn't, we always use the first form of the verb.
Oh, many students forget this.
Exactly.
Can you show a wrong example first?
Sure. Wrong sentence. I didn't went to school.
That sounds wrong now.
Yes, the correct sentence is I didn't go to school.
Because after didn't, we use first form.
Exactly right.
Very easy.
Now let's practice more. I didn't watch TV.
She didn't eat breakfast.
I didn't play cricket.
We didn't visit the market.
Good job.
Thank you.
Now let's learn interrogative sentences.
Questions.
Exactly.
What structure do we use?
We use did plus subject plus first form of verb.
Can you give examples?
Sure. Did you call your mother?
Did she finish her homework?
Did they enjoy the party?
Did he clean the kitchen?
Excellent answers.
Thank you.
Now let's move to past continuous tense.
Yay! This is the tense with was and were, right?
Exactly.
I'm excited.
Past continuous tense shows an action that was happening at a specific time in the past.
Happening in the past?
Yes,
Can you explain simply?
of course. Imagine this sentence. I was watching TV at 8 p.m.
So the action was happening at that time.
Exactly.
The action was in progress.
Perfect.
What is the structure?
Very easy. Subject plus was or were plus verb plus ing.
So we use verb plus ing.
Yes.
Can you give examples?
Sure. I was reading a book.
She was cooking dinner.
They were playing football.
We were studying English.
He was sleeping.
Very nice.
Now let's learn when to use was and were.
Yes, this is important.
We use was with I, he, she, and it.
Okay.
And we use were with you, we and they.
Let me try. I was eating.
Correct.
They was playing.
Almost correct.
Oops.
We say they were playing.
Because with they, we use were.
Exactly.
Good correction.
Many students make this mistake.
So don't worry if you also make mistakes, guys.
Exactly. Practice makes you better.
Now let's learn negative sentences in past continuous.
Great idea.
What structure do we use?
Subject plus was not or were not plus verb ing.
Easy.
Yes, I was not sleeping.
She wasn't studying.
They were not working.
We weren't watching TV.
Excellent.
Now questions.
Yes, was or were plus subject plus verb ing.
Examples?
Was she cooking food?
Were they playing outside?
Was he driving the car?
Were you listening to music?
Perfect.
Tom, now I want to know the big difference between past simple and past continuous.
Amazing question.
Because many beginners get confused here.
Yes, but now we will make it super easy.
Let's do it.
Past simple is for finished actions.
Okay.
Past continuous is for actions happening at a time in the past. Look at this. I watched TV.
Finished action.
Exactly. I was watching TV.
The action was happening.
Perfect.
Oh, now I can feel the difference.
Great.
Can we use both tenses in one sentence?
Yes, very often.
Really?
Yes, and this is very important in spoken English.
Please teach us.
We often use past continuous for the long action
Okay.
and past simple for the short action.
Interesting.
Listen carefully. I was sleeping when my phone rang.
Oh.
The long action was sleeping.
And the short action was phone rang.
Exactly.
That is so easy now.
Let's do more examples. She was cooking when her friend arrived.
They were studying when the lights went out.
Excellent.
He was driving when it started to rain.
Very good.
We were eating dinner when Tom called.
Perfect sentence.
Thank you.
Now let's practice daily spoken English.
Yes, this helps a lot.
Imagine this conversation. What were you doing last night?
I was watching a movie.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, I did.
Excellent.
Another one.
Okay. Why didn't you answer my call?
Because I was taking a shower.
Very natural English.
These are real-life examples.
Exactly.
Guys, practice these sentences loudly.
Yes, speaking practice is very important.
Pause the video and make your own sentence.
Use past simple first.
Example, I visited my cousin.
Great.
Now, past continuous.
Example, I was talking to my cousin.
Very easy.
Now let's talk about common mistakes.
Oh yes, this section is very important.
Listen carefully, everyone,
I will make mistakes on purpose.
and I will correct them.
Okay, I was watched TV.
Wrong sentence.
What is correct?
Correct sentence, I was watching TV.
Because after was, we use verb ing.
Exactly.
Next mistake. She did not went there.
Wrong again.
Oops.
Correct sentence, she did not go there.
Because after did not, we use first form.
Perfect.
Next one. They was sleeping.
Almost correct.
What is correct?
Correct sentence, they were sleeping.
Because with they, we use were.
Exactly right.
Guys, comment your own example sentences below.
Yes, we love reading your comments.
And don't feel shy.
Mistakes are normal.
Every English speaker learns step by step.
Exactly.
Tom, can we do a mini quiz now?
Of course.
Guys, answer with us.
Sentence number 1. I blank watching TV when you called me.
Was.
Very good.
I was watching TV when you called me.
Perfect.
Next one.
They blank football yesterday.
Played.
Excellent.
They played football yesterday.
Easy. Now a tricky one. She didn't blank breakfast.
Ate.
Almost correct.
Oops.
After didn't, we use first form.
So the correct answer is eat.
Exactly.
She didn't eat breakfast.
Great job. Awesome. Let's continue learning together.
I'm really enjoying this lesson.
Me too. And I hope our viewers are enjoying it as well.
Okay, Tom, let's do more practice with past simple and past continuous together.
Great idea.
Sometimes I understand the rules, but I still get confused in long sentences.
That is completely normal.
Really?
Yes, many beginners feel this way.
So how can we understand the difference more clearly?
We can learn with situations and stories.
Oh, stories make learning fun.
Exactly.
Okay, tell us a story.
Listen carefully. Yesterday, I was walking in the park when I saw an old friend.
So was walking is past continuous,
Correct.
and saw is past simple,
Exactly.
because walking was the longer action,
Yes.
and seeing the friend was the short action.
Perfect understanding.
Yay!
Let's try another one. Anna was studying when her cat jumped on the table.
That sounds funny.
Maybe it really happened.
Maybe.
So, which part is past continuous?
Was studying.
Correct.
And jumped is past simple.
Excellent.
I think I'm understanding this much better now.
That's amazing.
Can we practice more spoken English examples?
Absolutely. What were you doing at 10 p.m.?
I was talking to my friend.
Did you sleep late?
Yes, I did.
Perfect.
Now my turn. Why were you laughing yesterday?
Because my friend told a funny joke.
Nice.
These kinds of conversations are very common in daily English.
So viewers should practice these sentences again and again.
Yes, speaking practice is very important.
Tom, sometimes students ask this question.
Which question?
Can we use time words with these tenses?
Very good question.
Thank you.
Yes, we often use time words.
Like what?
For past simple, we often use yesterday, last night, last week, last year, ago.
Examples?
I visited Lahore last year.
She called me yesterday.
They watched a movie last night.
We cleaned the house 2 days ago.
Excellent.
Now, what about past continuous?
For past continuous, we often use while, when, at that time, all evening.
Examples?
I was sleeping when you called me.
She was cooking while I was cleaning.
They were studying at that time.
We were talking all evening.
Perfect.
Tom, I have another question.
Go ahead.
Can two actions happen at the same time in past continuous?
Very good point.
Really?
Yes, for example, I was cooking while my brother was washing the dishes.
So both actions were happening together.
Exactly.
Another example.
She was reading while her friend was listening to music.
Very nice.
They were laughing while they were watching a comedy movie.
That sounds natural.
Yes, native speakers use these patterns a lot.
Now I want to make some sentences.
Go ahead.
I was eating while my mother was talking on the phone.
Excellent.
He was studying while his sister was sleeping.
Very good.
We were walking while it was raining.
Perfect sentence.
Thank you.
Now let's learn another important thing.
What is it?
Short actions and long actions.
Oh, yes, this is important.
Past continuous usually shows the long action.
Okay.
Past simple usually shows the short action.
Examples, please.
I was taking a shower when the lights went out.
The shower was the long action,
Correct.
and the lights going out was the short action.
Exactly.
Another one.
We were having dinner when the guests arrived.
We're having dinner is the long action,
Yes.
and arrived is the short action.
Excellent.
Guys, if you understand this, comment, I can do it.
Yes, believe in yourself.
English becomes easy with practice.
Exactly.
Tom, let's do some mistake correction again.
Great idea.
I were sleeping.
Wrong sentence.
Correct sentence?
I was sleeping.
Because with I, we use was.
Exactly.
She was cook dinner.
Almost correct.
What is correct?
She was cooking dinner.
Because we need verb ing.
Perfect.
They didn't played football.
Wrong again.
Oops.
Correct sentence? They didn't play football.
First form after didn't.
Exactly.
Very easy.
Now let's do a small role play.
Yay, I love role plays.
Imagine we are talking after a busy day.
Okay.
Hi, Anna. What did you do yesterday?
I visited my grandmother.
That sounds nice. What was she doing?
She was cooking my favorite food.
Did you help her?
Yes, I did. I was washing the dishes.
Excellent conversation.
That felt like real English.
Because it is real English.
Guys, repeat these conversations with us.
Practice speaking loudly.
Don't just listen silently.
Yes, speaking is the key.
Tom, some students are afraid of grammar.
That's true.
But grammar becomes easy when we learn with examples.
Exactly.
And simple English helps a lot,
That is why we use very easy English on this channel.
because we want everyone to feel comfortable.
Exactly.
Now let's do a quick challenge.
Sounds fun.
Guys, we will say a sentence.
And you tell us if it is past simple or past continuous.
Ready?
Sentence 1. She cleaned her room.
Past simple.
Correct.
Sentence 2. They were dancing.
Past continuous.
Great.
Sentence 3. I was reading when my friend arrived.
Ooh, this has both tenses.
Exactly.
Was reading is past continuous,
Yes.
and arrived is past simple.
Perfect answer.
This is getting easier now.
I'm happy to hear that.
Tom, can we explain the formula one more time for beginners?
Of course. Past simple positive, subject plus second form.
Example, she watched TV.
Past simple negative, subject plus did not plus first form.
Example, she did not watch TV.
Past simple question, did plus subject plus first form.
Example, did she watch TV?
Excellent.
Now past continuous.
Positive, subject plus was, were plus verb ing.
She was watching TV.
Negative, subject plus was not or were not plus verb ing.
She was not watching TV.
Question, was, were plus subject plus verb ing.
Was she watching TV?
Amazing.
Guys, save these formulas in your notebook
Yes, writing helps memory.
and practice every day.
Even 10 minutes daily can improve your English.
Tom, can we do some real daily life examples now?
Absolutely. I dropped my phone while I was running.
My mother called while I was sleeping.
The baby was crying when the doctor arrived.
We were shopping when it started to rain.
He broke the glass while he was cleaning the table.
They met each other while they were traveling.
Excellent examples.
These sentences sound very natural.
Because people use these tenses every day in conversations.
Tom, what is one easy memory trick for beginners?
Great question. Think like this. Past simple equals finished action.
Okay.
Past continuous equals action in progress in the past.
Very simple.
And when both come together, past continuous is the background action.
And past simple is the interrupting action.
Exactly.
That trick is really helpful.
I'm glad you like it.
Guys, repeat this rule with us.
Past continuous is the background action.
Past simple is the interrupting action.
Excellent.
Now I feel much more confident.
That's wonderful.
And I think our viewers feel more confident too.
I hope so.
Tom, before we finish, let's do one final speaking practice.
Great idea.
Guys, repeat after us.
I was walking to school.
When I saw my teacher.
She was talking on the phone.
When the bus arrived.
We were eating dinner.
When the electricity went out.
Excellent practice.
Keep repeating these sentences.
Your speaking will improve fast.
Now let's quickly revise today's lesson.
Past simple talks about finished actions in the past.
Past continuous talks about actions happening in the past.
Past simple uses second form of the verb.
Past continuous uses was, were, plus verb ing.
After did or didn't, always use first form.
And don't forget, was with I, he, she, it.
And were with you, we, they.
Today we learned positive sentences, negative sentences, questions, WH questions, spoken English, and common mistakes.
And we practiced many real-life examples.
Great job, everyone.
Seriously, if you watched till the end, you are doing amazing.
English takes time, but you can do it.
Practice a little every day.
And never be afraid of mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn.
Thank you so much for learning with English with Tom and Anna today.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video.
Comment your example sentences below.
And share this lesson with your friends and family.
And don't forget to subscribe to English with Tom and Anna for more easy English lessons.
Thank you so much for watching.
Take care and keep practicing English every day.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, guys!